Welcome back, students. Today we come up with a new topic with some amazing facts. As you all have seen the day-to-day weather, and this chapter is a bit interesting and related to it. So let's study ahead in detail in this chapter, that is of standard 7 and lesson number 7. This is what? This is weather, climate and the adaptation of animals to that particular climate. You all have seen the day-to-day weather and the climate of any particular place. Now need to understand between these two. What do you mean by weather and what do you mean by climate? Now let's see, move ahead in this direction. Now weather and climate. We'll discuss this, and then under this the climate and the adaptation of animals to that particular climate. To the particular climate of a particular place, the animals are adapted according to it. Now here these we will discuss the polar areas and the tropical rainforest. Now here you should understand what do you mean by tropical areas and what do you mean by the tropical rainforest. Weather. What clicks in your mind? What do you think? What weather is? If I ask you that what type of weather is today, even you also see in the newspaper and in your mobile phones also that what is the weather of that, may be sunny, maybe cloudy or partially sunny, that the different conditions. Now here the weather, that is a day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. It is day-to-day, okay? The particular day, even right now if it's sunny, maybe after some, maybe by hour or maybe by the evening, it turns into rainy season. Rainy weather. So this is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere of that particular place. Now with respect to what we have to include in this, the temperature of that particular place, humidity, that is the moisture content in the atmosphere. Then the rainfall, what is the wind speed, these all include weather. Now weather of a place, that is never constant, it keeps on changing hour to hour or within a day, within 24 hours. So changes hour after hour and day after day and week after weather. Week after week, that is what? Weather. And what to note here? The elements of weather we are going to note down here, that is temperature, humidity. Humidity means that is amount of moisture present in the air. Thirdly, we will consider the rainfall, and then what is the wind speed. Now in this weather, what we have to see, whether it's a hot, whether it's cold, it's rainy, cloudy, windy or humid. Weather, this is such a complex phenomena and it can vary over a short period of time. As I told you, it varies hour to hour, day to day and week to week. In the morning it's sunny, in the afternoon sudden rain, then heavy rain stops after 10 minutes and again there is a bright sunshine. So this is what? That is a weather. And many of our daily activities, these are planned or based on the weather itself. If you have seen that the sports game, IPL or any sort of other games that may get postponed, sometimes then when weather becomes from sunny to rainy. So for these things, there is a need to note down the weather conditions. For the sports game, for any family function, you keep your family function according to the weather. You see that this time the weather is okay, this weather is fine, so that you can place your any family function. You can plan that. Traveling, if you want to travel to some places, you also at that time you think about the weathers. So these are the various things that you note down for the weather. That airlines, railways, holidays, if you want to plan any holiday or any picnic, taking umbrella during the rainy days, and the types of clothes you wear. These all are depend on the weather. Now what else in this? Weather report. What is weather report? As we are talking about weather, that means we day to day in the morning itself, when the newspaper comes at your home, in the first page you see the weather reports. This is what? This is hourly, daily, weekly, monthly report of a weather. And now weather reports, these are prepared by whom? By meteorological department of the government. Now department that collects the data of the temperature, rainfall and the wind. they and make the weather prediction. This is the function of the meteorological department. Now here the temperature, what is been recorded in the weather report, whether it is maximum, minimum, you will find this in the weather report in the newspaper, even in cell phone also. This is the maximum temperature of day, minimum temperature of day. And when is the maximum temperature? During the afternoon time, when the sun is overhead due to the heat, and minimum temperature in the morning hours. Humidity, what is the wind speed, rainfall, time of the sunrise and the sunset. These are being recorded in the weather report. As you can see, this is what you can observe the weather report, that here it is of New Delhi, that is fog is written, that what type of weather is there, foggy. Then you observe the sun movement, the degrees changes. This is of the time dependent, Saturday, and here then Monday, Thursday, different day within a week also. It also changed. There is a change in the temperature and according to the time also. So this is what? This is a weather report. That depends of all those factors. Now this can be of different places. This is of New Delhi, this is of Pune. Now here it is written the sunrise, sunset, different time. And here also it depends. Now the rainfall, that is 30%, humidity is 71%, wind speed is 11 km per hour, and east, south to east direction. The direction is also mentioned over there. Then what is the precipitation? So these all are the things which are being noted in the weather reports. Now measurement of temperature. How they measure the temperature? Maximum and minimum thermometer is the source to measure the temperature. So what is the name of that thing? That is the thermometer, maximum and minimum thermometer. Maximum temperature of day is recorded in the afternoon time. Why? Because at that time heat is so much generated. At the afternoon the sun is overhead and it heat up the whole atmosphere. So maximum temperature is observed in the afternoon and minimum temperature early in the morning when sun just arises. Then rainfall, it is measured with the instrument that name is rain gauge. This is an instrument that is used to measure the rainfall. Then humidity, this is the amount of moisture in the air. The water vapors present in the air, that is known as humidity. And the instrument used to measure that is known as psychrometer. What is the name? This is psychrometer, P is silent over here. Then the wind speed, this is measured by the anemometer. This is it looks like this way. Even you can make this at home also by using the caps and placing into 4 directions. So it will move from the direction the wind will come. Next topic is this, that is climate. Till now we have studied about the weather conditions, and the weather conditions, the weather reports we include, and in the next coming videos we will discuss more about what is the climate. Now you will come to know that what is the difference between weather and what is the climate. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.